Hi, everyone. I'm Mary Kaplan. I work at Vertesia. We are the high speed, low code way to build and deploy generative AI apps and agents. And today I have the pleasure of talking to you all about what is agentic AI and what isn't, and why that matters to your business. So, you're probably tired of the term agentic because you maybe see it and hear it everywhere, all over LinkedIn. It seems like every software vendor has their flavor of an AI agent and agentic AI. And really, I think what we're seeing a lot is agent washing, which is a marketing tactic where everything is an agent, right? Which is overused and misleading because we know that chatbots, which are often positioned like agents, aren't agents. Chatbots are a computer program that perform automatic, repetitive tasks, whereas true AI agents are computer programs designed with autonomy to learn and adapt to complex situations and complete ambiguous tasks. So, are all bots agents? No. Bots and agents are distinct in their levels of autonomy, memory, the software environments that they can operate, and you actually don't always need an agent just because agents are everywhere. If you have a deterministic task, using an AI agent is probably unnecessarily complex, and a bot would probably handle it really well if it's a commonly understood, fixed sequence of routine and predefined steps. And why does this matter to your business? Well, truly understanding what is agentic AI, what are autonomous agents, it's not just a matter of semantics, right? The companies that get it right, they will automate faster, they'll operate smarter, unlock new levels of efficiency, creativity, and scale. And unfortunately, the companies that get it wrong will have misguided investments, wasting time and money, missed opportunities, and unrealistic expectations. Because if we expect a bot to do what an agent can do, we're going to be disappointed. So, put it simply, an AI agent is an autonomous workflow that's capable of completing a complex task or activity without human intervention. If you give an AI agent a task in natural language, it will receive that task, evaluate how to approach it, and then execute against a plan. And like we said, bots, they do well in deterministic environments. Agents, on the other hand, have a very high level of autonomy. They handle more complex situations. They work well when there are ambiguous goals, whereas bots need more predefined goals. Agents, what makes them so powerful, they benefit from long term memory and adaptive learning. And agents can interact with other software environments, whereas bots tend to be stuck in that chat and text based environments. And where we see agents really revolutionizing businesses, especially software businesses, are things like auto generating release notes, product documentation. Across all industries, we're seeing, document review, contract generation, contract amendment, and also things like customer support automation are really benefiting from powerful AI agents. But an agent is only as capable as its tools. So, AI agents, they're not magic, right? They are software. They need tools and a platform to be successful. But that's really hard to get right. With the wrong platform, with faulty foundations and limited tools, your AI agents that you deploy might hallucinate, make things up, provide wrong information, get stuck, or fail to complete tasks, or even sometimes go rogue without an easy way for you to intervene, which is pretty scary stuff. Our platform, Vertesia, ensures that building, testing, and deploying agents is quick, it's simple, and it scales across your business. So, from our unified platform, we ensure total observability across all agents and all agent functions, which means that you won't be building bespoke agents and bespoke software systems to solve very specific problems. That's a governance and a maintenance nightmare. With our unified platform, you will build and deploy agents that can operate across your enterprise with total observability. And what we've seen with generative AI is that if you give it bad data, you get bad results, right? That's true when you have AI agents. Like I said, they're not magic. So it's really important to invest in a platform that helps with cleaning, sanitizing data, preventing LLM hallucinations so that you get the accurate output that your business needs. And again, an agent is only as capable as the tools it has at its disposal, right? Not all agents are created equal because not all tools are available to all agents. And we have some pretty powerful, forward thinking tools on the market. So if you give an agent a task, what it will do, it will think, it will plan, update the plan, and execute against the plan. Kind of like you and me, right? You don't just start doing something. Hopefully, you don't. You think your way through it and you create a plan. Also, and this is really where the business value comes in, the agent is able to generate, amend, and analyze documents. And I mean all types of documents. We have the ability for agents to manipulate and analyze spreadsheets, which is a pretty cool feature on the market. Not a lot of agents can do that, as well as really highly advanced image analysis. So think about an invoice that has a human signature written on it, scanned into a system as a PDF. If you're going through and reviewing thousands of invoices, the human eye might miss the signature, but our AI agents can pick up the signature via image analysis and then track it against the corresponding PO. And you can think about how much time and money that saves and the fact that it's accurate. This is really a powerful feature for our agents. And also, sometimes when given a task, the task is so complex our agents actually invoke sub-agents to execute parallel work streams, preserve memory, get things done faster. So, where do agents really come into place in your business? Think about all your business processes. And where autonomous agents excel are the complex, multi step processes that require data and inputs from multiple different sources. So, think of insurance claims, loan approvals, these are really complex processes that require chained decision logic going way beyond, rule-based automation. And agents also do great when extracting insights from unstructured data. So, like I just said, that invoice example or email or a combination of all of it, an agent is able to make sense of this complex data, extract the details needed, and then take appropriate action. And this is where we are seeing efficiencies with customer service automation. Agents can retain context for enhanced accuracy. So, unlike bots, agentic systems, you can give them your business rules and your business context. Um, so, when they're navigating unclear situations, they have the business guidance that you've given it, and they can really personalize their responses for improving human centric processes like customer onboarding. And agents do really well with orchestrating multi step journeys where they have to bridge different tools like CRMs, ERPs, different teams, and streamline, tedious or repetitive tasks like issuing new policies and discharging patients. So, key takeaways. If you can remember three things, don't be fooled by agent washing. Just because you see agent everywhere doesn't always mean that everything's actually agentic. When you understand the true nature of agentic AI, that's when you can really start unlocking business transformation. Because true agents go beyond basic automation, right? Bots and agents are not the same. Autonomous agents really excel with decision making and problem solving capabilities that bots just can't do. And autonomous AI agents can redefine operational efficiencies. If you have complex business processes, multi step journeys, think about how autonomous agents can help revolutionize and streamline these processes. And we can help you do that. We have a really consultative approach to implementing generative AI. We don't just give you the platform and say, good luck to you, right? We will build you a roadmap and understand your use cases of where AI can really enhance your business processes. And we want to show you how. Our agents are real, they can be deployed in production today. So we are ready to show you a demo of our agents and how you can build and deploy them in just a few minutes. So please visit vertesiahq.com to request a demo. Thank you.